So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a link to your profile bio on Threads. So once you have Threads open up on your device, make sure you go into your profile page. So if you're on the search bar, if you're on the post bar, whatever the case is, simply just exit out of all that and go to the bottom right and press on your profile. Then once you're on this screen, go to where it says edit profile. So right above where it says threads, right below where it says followers, press on edit profile. Now to add a link to your account where it says link, and says add a link, press on add a link. Now you can type in the link. So if you wanted to do www.youtube.com, for example, you can type in YouTube. There you go. And simply just press on done when you're done. And there you go. That is how you guys can add a link to your profile bio on Threads. I hope this video helped.